What's up guys, my name's Diera and you're watching Wildly Written. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your new home screen aesthetic with the iOS 14 update. I know that I've been searching all over YouTube for videos like this, so hopefully you find this one helpful, and if you do, please thumbs up and consider subscribing. This is a super small new YouTube channel, so all the love would be appreciated. Okay, so before I even start showing you guys how to make your phone more aesthetic, I want to say that this is a time for you to really think about what you want to envision for yourself. So create a theme that makes you centered or makes you focused or makes you happy. Try to stick with colors that resonate with you and that really just make you get all the feels, so that every time you look at your phone you're reminded of something that's beautiful in life. So I'm gonna share my screen with you guys. This is currently what my screen is looking like, and this is just me playing around with it. So I've been using the app called Widgetsmith, and you don't need this app if you don't want to customize your thumbnails or pictures, but it is fun and handy if you want to make it cute and aesthetic, right? So I have the moon app, I just have a photo with the Jeep, I have the date, and then I made a few shortcuts to things that I use like Instagram, Canva, and Kindle, and then I just have a quote at the bottom. So the first thing I want to show you is how to set your date and time. Actually, the first thing I want to show you is that you can switch it up so that you don't have to see all of these apps. I personally don't mind having them since they're organized, but if you uncheck these, it'll hide them from your screen, and we need that while we're working. This is how you create a calendar. So when you're working on it, you're going to add, and then you're going to select default widget, and then you can select whichever type you want. If you want to just have the date, if you want it to have the date and the calendar, you can also scroll down further and you can just click the photo, and that's how I put the little Jeep on my home screen. So let's start with the date. This is seriously so easy. So date, click the font that you like. A lot of people like New York. I don't mind this one, which is called typewriter, so we'll just use that. Then you click the tint color, which is the font color that you want, and then you go ahead and select the background. Since I like more of a boho theme, I don't mind a little color in my life. What I've noticed is that a lot of people do the nudes, but for me it's really hard to see the nudes. So the closest that I would go to the nudes would probably be that peach color, or maybe like the darker nudes, which are the browns. Next, you can choose your border color. Obviously I'm going to choose white, but black might look okay too, but we're going to go with white for now. So then you just save it, and then once you get back to your home screen, actually let's start another one. You're going to click the plus sign at the top, scroll all the way down to Widgetsmith, select add widget, and because I already made one, that's why the Jeep popped up. But then you just select the one that you just created, and whoop-blam! There you go. You're already on your way to a cuter home screen. Okay, let's jump into reminders. So if you want to create a little to-do list, you have to go into your reminders app and add a list. New list, not reminder. Create a new list, and then you can call it whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call this Wildly Written. So then you click done, and then within that you want to add new reminders. So this is a reminder for you guys: subscribe before you go, because this is a new channel and we need the love. Okay, so next you're going to go back over to Wordsmith or Widgetsmith. You're going to add medium, and then you're going to select it, and then you're going to scroll down to reminders. So you click list, and then I had already created some lists, but you're only going to select the one that you just created or ones that you actually want to be populated on top. All reminders, and then this is just the same old thing. You can choose the fonts. Let's go with New York. Tint color, I think I want it to be white. Oh, I want the font to be black actually. Maybe we could do custom. So we'll do black, and then background color we'll do white. Or do we want to do something? Actually, we'll do this blue color, and then the border will be white. Okay, so save. Then you're going to go edit your home screen, add, scroll all the way down, Widgetsmith. you're gonna select medium and then switch it out. The only reason that these are populating with other photos is because I already created these. So when you're starting from scratch, it won't happen to you. Alright, so now that you know how to make a to-do, you know how to set the date, let's add a photo. Like, I love this Jeep, and what I think is a good idea is for you to put stuff on there that you want to manifest, or things that you want to see come to fruition in your life. That's a good way to have a visual. I also added this little moon tracker because I like to know what the moon is in. Is it in, you know, is it weaning? Is it waning? Is it full? Is it a new moon? So those are all within the Widgetsmith app, so you can add whatever you want. I got all of these photos and backgrounds from Pinterest. That's a good place to start if you're looking for backgrounds. Alright, so I wanted to use, which photo? This photo. And that's the name right there. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't want to say it wrong, but that's her name right there. So you guys can go check her out and support. Alright, so we're going to crop her. And done. Okay, edit. And now the photo will fit just right. And it won't look janky. We want aesthetics, sweetie. We don't have time for janky photos. And then you're just going to save it. And then we're going to add a widget. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. You guys are going to have the freaking cutest backdrop ever. You're going to have the cutest. I'm ready. If you guys recreate this at all, definitely tag me at wiley.written. Okay, so now that that's done, we can move this out of the way and I will show you guys how to make a shortcut. So what we're gonna do is go to our shortcut app and we're going to create a new shortcut. So you're gonna add action, you can go to your apps and you can select whatever app you want. You can also do scripting. I want to do an app for, let's do music. So you can click any function that you want it to have. This won't take you directly to like all of the normal functions on your app, so you have to make sure that it's something that you actually want it to do. So for me, I want it to just play the music. So we'll do play music, click the three dots, and then click add to home screen, and then change the name. So music, and then you can select a photo. And because it's vibey, let's do this one. Alright, so music. Another good idea is to go onto Canva and make the logos for some of the apps. So if you use Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, just find the little logo and then you can put it in different colors. I think that would be a good idea. Okay, so we're going to drag the music app over to the little vibe we're creating over here. Okay, let's try one more thing. Okay, we're going to do what time the sun rises and sets, because that one looks kind of cute. And we're going to finish it off with 4 more shortcuts. So let's just finish this quickly. So we're going to add Instagram, click the 3 dots, add to home screen, change the photo, and for Instagram I want a picture of Breonna Taylor because it's just a reminder that justice needs to be served, and as much as I get on Instagram, it'll always be at the forefront of my mind. So that's a good tip to do as well. Instagram. Alright, and then we're going to save that and then click next. Alright, so what else do you guys use? What are some of your favorite apps? Leave them down below. Add a new one. Actually, you want scripting. Open the app. Choose. These are apps I use all the time, so I would suggest leaving the apps that you use more frequently on your home screen versus putting them on the pages that you delete. Alright. Okay, perfect. So guys, this is what it's looking like. I think I want to move it around just a bit. So I like it like that. That is cute enough. So these are just examples of something that you could do. Again, you should put things on there that spark joy, that bring you happiness, that remind you to be the light in such a dark world. Alright guys, so that was the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're new here. And I will see you guys hopefully in my next video. Bye!